The bike book is now in its 23rd year as a bestseller, with the 7th edition receiving a major update. Compiled by a new author, this edition covers the latest developments in cycling while revising existing material. It boasts a contemporary layout and new photography, maintaining the renowned step-by-step approach of Haynes manuals. The book covers a wide range of topics, from bike selection and maintenance to braking systems, drivetrains, frame care, and accessories. It includes an appendix with valuable reference material on gear ratios, torque settings, and brand compatibility, making it an essential guide for cyclists of all levels seeking comprehensive and practical advice. Find the link below and buy the book now.